So what is this CEO of email marketing, the CEI? Well, it's really using email marketing to allow you to link and to be one brand of your business. Because email is one thing, social media is another, maybe you have blogs, blog posts, or other types of marketing materials that you're creating. So the C really comes down to connection, because it allows you to link and connect what you have created in your social media, whether it's Facebook, Instagram, LinkedIn, and people don't have to scroll through it. You can send that direct link, making a more important connection with your audience. So it's very direct, and more people will actually see the content than if you were just posting things on social media or Facebook, LinkedIn, Instagram, wherever you are. Because it's estimated that about only 3% of your fans see your social media posts, but when it comes to email, the open rates are about 15 to 20% that are going to see your email. So it's a tool that allows you to connect in a more direct way with your audience. The second one is the E, the evaluation part. How does this all come together? Well, you can really see how many people are opening up your email. And right now we're going through the iOS update. I realize that, but so far we really haven't seen crazy things happening to the open rates. It's still fairly a new game. So you're still able to track open rates. And of course, you can always track your click-through rates and be able to analyze and evaluate the data that tells you what is working and what's not. So that's the second one. And the last one, the I, integration, because everything comes together when it comes to email. Just like I mentioned that you're emailing and sending a direct link to people, it allows you to connect the content that you're creating all together, and allows you to put it all in one page, maybe as a newsletter, maybe as an update, however it is that makes sense for you. You can spread it out into 4 weeks and share a blog post that really spoke to you, but you really have to plan a strategy so that everything blends together and it integrates together in a way that people know that you're talking to the same brand. So whether it's social media, you're talking about the same topics, the same things. Whether it's blog post, it's about the same things. And email kind of brings and blends and integrates all of that together. So my name is Miri Lenov. I'm an email copywriter, and I hope this helped to kind of give you some ideas of how you can use email marketing in your own business. If you have any questions, let me know. I'll be happy to help.